Do you have anything to say, sir? Sir, do you have anything to say? Good. Oh, oh. Child abuse from a dog. Child abuse from a dog. I repeat, I just got child abused by my dog. He smacked me on the face. He went pop. He went pop. He went bang. He went pop. Do you have anything to say? No. No. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Ah, 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 I'm so scared. Ah, ah. Hamburgers. He doesn't know it's gone. I'll probably lick my plate.
Did you like any of it?
Yes,
Why did you eat your macaroni and cheese?
I did. COVID, you know. Sir, 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 get out of my yard. Sir, get out of my yard. Do you have anything to say? Just licking. That's all he has. How about lawnmower? I love torturing dogs with the lawnmower. Ah, let me push the lawnmower. Look. Is your lawnmower getting abused by your dog? Let me go put you on the chair just to show you how my dog attacks it. This is my yard. Hey! 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 Ah! Ah! Stop breaking the lawnmower. Stop breaking. Look. You saw where it was. It was right here. It went over there. Now it's over here. And who is to blame? This old man. This old man. No. No. No, sir. So, I'm going to give you some of the stuff I got. We went through Oklahoma, Arkansas, Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas, Florida, and Georgia. I said that. I have an ear infection. So, my home. Xbox. Woo, woo. I'm okay. How about we go ride our bike? Can I go ride my bike? Okay. We're gonna ride our bike. No. But I know how I can get you to fit. Actually, don't know. I'm gonna try to get you